In this video, we will give you the top ways to stick to your budget and save more money. Whether you want to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just want to be more financially secure, these tips will help you achieve your financial goals. The first and most important step to sticking to your budget is creating a budget plan. This involves tracking your expenses, setting financial goals, and creating a spending plan. By having a clear idea of where your money is going, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Reducing unnecessary expenses is a key component of sticking to your budget. This includes things like eating out less, canceling subscription services you don't use, and finding ways to lower your utility bills. Using cash instead of credit cards is an effective way to reduce your spending and stick to your budget. It's easy to overspend with credit cards, so by limiting your use of them, you can stay within your budget and save more money. Finding ways to earn extra income is a great way to supplement your current income and save more money. This could include starting a side hustle, selling items you no longer need, or taking on freelance work. By following these tips and sticking to your budget, you can be on your way to achieving your financial goals and creating a more secure future. Remember, it's all about mindful spending and making small changes that add up to big savings over time.